Hello, kids. Let's count with our cute animal friends. 1, 2, 3 little pandas. 4, 5, 6 little pandas. 7, 8, 9 little pandas. 10 little pandas playing in the house. 1, 2, 3 little monkeys. 4, 5, 6 little monkeys. 7, 8, 9 little monkeys. 10 little monkeys swimming in the pool. 1, 2, 3 little bunnies. 4, 5, 6 little bunnies. 7, 8, 9 little bunnies. 10 little bunnies on the seesaw. 1, 2, 3 little hippos. 4, 5, 6 little hippos. 7, 8, 9 little hippos. 10 little hippos jumping on a trampoline. 1, 2, 3 little bears. 4, 5, 6 little bears. 7, 8, 9 little bears. 10 little bears eating ice cream. Great job, kids! You counted from 1 to 10. Keep learning and have fun. Bye-bye!